In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up an affiliate system that automatically turns your customers into promoters for your brand. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we break down e-commerce tools and growth strategies in a way that actually makes sense. No fluff, no theory, just practical systems that you can implement in your business. So if you've ever thought to yourself, I wish my happy customers would just tell their friends about my products, it's exactly what we're solving today. Because the reality is, customers already recommend products that they love. The problem is that most stores don't give them an easy way to do it. So by the end of this video, you'll understand how automatic customer affiliate programs work, how to structure commissions the right way, how referral links and discount codes work, how to encourage customers to share your product, and how to launch your referral program confidently. All right, let's get into it. Why turning customers into affiliates is so powerful. So before we talk about setup, let's zoom out here for a second. Think about the moment that someone buys your product. That's the highest trust moment in your entire funnel. They just pulled out their credit card. They believe in your brand. But what happens right after that? Most stores simply show an order confirmation page and say something like, thanks for your order. And that's it. That moment of excitement disappears. But imagine if right after someone buys your product, you give them a simple opportunity. Something like share this with a friend and earn rewards. That's powerful because people naturally want to share products that they like. They just need a simple reason and an easy mechanism to do it. That's exactly what customer affiliate systems are designed to do. What Social Snowball does in simple terms. All right, let's simplify this concept. Social Snowball is a system that automatically turns customers into affiliates after they make a purchase. And instead of asking customers to apply or fill out forms, the system creates an affiliate profile for them automatically. Once they buy something, they receive their own referral link or referral code. Then if they share that link with friends and someone else buys using that link or code, the original customer earns a reward. That reward could be cash commission, store credit, a gift card, or a percentage of the sale. Behind the scenes, the system tracks everything automatically. So you're not managing spreadsheets, referral codes, or manual payouts. Everything happens automatically in the background. Important reality check. Before we talk about strategy, there's something important here to understand. This kind of system is designed for brands that are serious about building a referral engine. It's not just some random plugin that you install and forget about. The real power comes from using it intentionally. If your store already has customers and consistent sales, this can become an incredibly powerful growth channel. Because even if a small percentage of your buyers share your product, the effect compounds over time. Step 1, install the affiliate system. So the first step is simply installing the affiliate software that will manage your program. Once installed, the platform walks you through a short onboarding process where you connect it to your store. This usually just takes a few minutes. The software then integrates with your checkout process so it can recognize when someone becomes a customer. From that point forward, every new customer can automatically become a potential affiliate. Step 2, decide your commission structure. So this is one of the most important decisions that you'll make. You need to decide how affiliates earn rewards. Most programs choose between a few options: a percentage of the sale, a fixed dollar reward, store credit, or gift cards. The right choice depends on your margins. For example, if you sell a $100 product with strong margins, offering a 10 to 15% commission might make perfect sense. But if your margins are tight, you may want to offer a smaller reward or use store credit instead. Store credit is actually a very smart option for many brands because the reward stays inside your business. The key is starting conservative. You can always increase commissions later if you want to motivate more referrals. Step 3, decide how referrals work. Next, you decide how customers will share your product. Most affiliate systems give you two main options: referral links and referral discount codes. A referral link is simply a unique URL that tracks the person who shared it. A discount code gives the friend an immediate incentive to purchase. For example, something like 10% off. Many brands combine both approaches. The customer shares a link, and when their friend clicks that link, a discount code is automatically applied to checkout. This creates a smooth experience for new customers while still rewarding the person who referred them. Step 4, set your program rules. Next, you'll configure some important rules for your program. One of the most important settings is cookie duration. This determines how long a referral is tracked after someone clicks an affiliate link. For example, if your cookie window is 30 days, a customer could click the referral link today and still be credited to that affiliate if they purchase within 30 days. You'll also want to think about refund rules. If a referred order is refunded, should the commission still be paid? Most brands remove the commission in those cases to prevent abuse. These settings help protect your program as it grows. Step 5, encourage sharing right after purchase. This is the most important moment in the entire system. Right after someone completes a purchase, they're excited about the product. That's when you want to introduce the referral opportunity. The message should be simple. Something like share this with a friend and earn rewards. Don't overcomplicate the messaging. Clear and simple often works best. For example, earn $10 for every friend who buys. When the offer is easy to understand, more customers will participate. Step 6, customize customize your affiliate emails. Once customers become affiliates, they should receive an email explaining how the program works. This email should be friendly and straightforward. Thank them for their purchase. Explain how they can share their referral link. Remind them what they earn when someone buys through their referral. It also helps to give one simple suggestion for how to share the link. For example, post it on Instagram, send it to a friend, share it in a group chat. The easier you make it, the more likely people will participate. Step 7, decide how payouts work. Next, you need to decide how affiliates receive their rewards. Most programs pay using methods like PayPal, bank transfers, store credit, or gift cards. If your customers are primarily in the United States, bank transfers can work well. If your customers are international, PayPal tends to be easier. And if you're using store credit, the process becomes even simpler. Just remember that if affiliates start earning significant income, you may need to handle tax reporting. That's something to discuss with an accountant as your program grows. Step 8, test everything. So before launching the program publicly, you should always test the entire process. So place a test order, make sure the referral system activates, and then use a referral link and simulate another purchase. Confirm that the referral is tracked correctly and the commission appears in the system. Testing early prevents problems later when real customers start using the program. Preventing abuse. Every referral system has the potential for abuse. Someone might try to refer themselves or post referral codes on coupon websites. That's why it's important to monitor your program activity. So look for unusual patterns like multiple orders from the same address tied to one affiliate. Most platforms also allow you to limit code usage or create expiration dates to protect your margins. The goal isn't paranoia, it's simply making sure that your program stays healthy as it grows. Advanced strategies. Later, once your program is running smoothly, you can add more advanced strategies. You can create commission tiers where affiliates earn higher rewards after reaching certain referral milestones. You could run limited time bonus campaigns during holidays, or highlight top affiliates in newsletters or community groups. But the key is starting simple. Build a stable system first and then optimize it over time. So what we recommend for this entire program is Social Snowball. And if you go ahead and click the link down below in the description, you're going to get an exclusive 14-day free trial courtesy of Ecom Mastery. So here's the big takeaway. Referral programs don't create word of mouth out of nothing. What they do is remove friction. They take something that customers already do, sharing products they love, and give them a simple reason and an easy mechanism to do it. When every buyer becomes a potential promoter, your customer base turns into a growth engine. And when the system's managed well, it can become one of the most powerful marketing channels that your business has. So if you want to get started with Social Snowball, you'll find a link for it down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And those commissions help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.